Smart technology, the future of home value. Modern buyers are looking for homes that offer both convenience and security, and smart technology is the key to meeting those expectations. Features like smart thermostats, video doorbells, and app-controlled lighting systems add a futuristic appeal that sets your home apart from the competition. A home that integrates seamlessly with modern technology not only attracts more buyers, but can also command a higher selling price. Security is a top priority for many homeowners, and smart security systems have become a must-have feature. Keyless entry locks, motion-activated cameras, and video doorbells give buyers peace of mind, knowing they can monitor their home from anywhere. Even automated outdoor lighting adds an extra layer of security, making the home feel safer while enhancing curb appeal at night. A home that's already equipped with these features is a major selling point. Entertainment and automation are becoming more popular in home design. Smart speakers, integrated home theater systems, and automated blinds can transform an ordinary space into a high-tech haven. Buyers love the idea of controlling their home with just their voice or smartphone, and these features make the property feel more luxurious. Even simple additions like USB outlets in key areas add a modern touch that buyers notice. Energy-efficient smart home features are particularly valuable. Programmable thermostats, smart irrigation systems, and Wi-Fi connected appliances help homeowners reduce energy consumption while adding convenience. A home that's already set up for efficiency and ease of use is highly appealing, and many buyers are willing to pay more for a space that feels move-in ready with cutting-edge technology.